key is I can't pay much for it because it's going to sit on my shelf for 10 or 20 years before it goes away. Alright, this is another cowpie lid. Alright. We're running out of cowpie lids. Cowpie lids, I should say. Okay. This one's complete though. That's a bag? What kind of a bag is that? Jeez. Best way to do that, put it on the floor. And just pick the bag up and rattle as you go. And it eventually hits the floor. And you got a rugger down there so it doesn't get any damage to it. There you go. Alright, there's a cowpie lid. 4-speed big twin. Got a hole in there. I mean, they were dicking with it. They're getting ready to dick with it. I'm not sure. Obviously, it's been rusted before. Not too bad on this one. This is an fxwg because it has the arm on the front. It's also softail, fxst. And also FL. Touring turd. Anything with a forward control. Mid control FX, the lever went straight up. And these two levers are different. And this one will be sticking up here like that, and the hole will be here for moving back and forth. So this is a forward control, not a mid control ratchet or cowpie. And you can see it's made in 79, because there's your 79 dash number on it. It came out late 79. They ran them through 86, which is the last year of a 4-speed training. Pretty much 85 for everything, but 84 FXW, 86 FXWG. They only made a few hundred of them, and that was the last of the 4-speed bikes. Everything else was 5-speed after that. Alright, so this gives me a complete one, because I bought a transmission on eBay, case and stuff. Needed a lid. So this is about the 6th lid now. I finally got a complete one. But, oh well. Now if this one's damaged, I got plenty of other lids to choose from. They should be on that number, and there should be 79S, but I can't read it. So, oh well, there you go. Looks pretty good. The bushing appears to be nice and tight. They get worn out in here pretty bad. This one's not moving much, so it's pretty good condition. It's actually a nice lid. So, good. Put that on top of the tranny. I'll have a 4-speed tranny. Put it all together and have one to sell. When I get time to ever put one together. I don't know when that'll be. It'll be a while. Alright, there you go. You got a lid and then a primary. They don't match though. 5-speed, 4-speed. Alright, that's it for this.